This is Mohammed Assig again from New Zealand, a hydroponic consultant and researcher. Welcome to our guide on building a basic DIY hydroponic system using PVC pipes. With this setup, you can grow fresh leaf vegetables all year long, regardless of the weather outside. Let's dive into the materials and steps needed to create your own hydroponic garden with minimal investment. With just a few simple materials and tools, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to start growing your own fresh vegetables hydroponically. Before we get started, it's essential to plan the structure of your hydroponic system. We will be constructing a vertical hydroponic system using PVC pipes, which maximizes space and efficiency. Here's a comprehensive list of materials you'll need to build your hydroponic system. Vertical pipes, 4 columns of 6 feet each. This totals 24 feet of PVC pipe. Horizontal pipes. You will need 3 horizontal pipes, 1 for each layer, amounting to 12 feet. Total length of PVC pipe needed, 36 feet. You will need 4 end caps to seal the ends of the vertical pipes. For connecting horizontal pipes to vertical pipes, gather 6 T-joints, 2 for each horizontal pipe connecting to 2 vertical pipes. Elbows, to change the direction of your pipes if necessary. Hole saw, this will help create holes in the vertical pipes for the plants. Net pots, to hold the growing medium and plants securely. Water pump, for circulating water and nutrients in your system. Reservoir, to hold the nutrient solution. Hoses, to connect the pump to the pipes. Cut your PVC pipes. Start by measuring and cutting your PVC pipes to the specified lengths. Create vertical columns. Assemble the vertical pipes, attaching them with T-joints at the appropriate heights. Position horizontal pipes. Install the horizontal pipes at each layer, connecting them with T-joints. Seal the pipes. Ensure the ends of each vertical pipe are capped off with end caps to prevent water overflow. Drill holes. Use the hole saw to drill holes in the vertical pipes for your net pots. Make sure to space them out evenly. Install the pump. Place your water pump in the reservoir and connect the hoses to the horizontal pipes to facilitate nutrient movement. Prepare your nutrient solution. Follow the instructions on the nutrient solution to ensure your plants receive optimal nourishment. Insert net pots. Fill your net pots with growing medium, insert your seedlings and place them into the holes you've drilled. Congratulations! You have now set up your own DIY hydroponic system. Regularly check your water levels, ensure your pump is functioning properly, and watch your plants flourish. This system will let you enjoy fresh, homegrown leaf vegetables all year round, all with just a minimal initial investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your hydroponic journey with us. Happy gardening!
Information and Communication Services Limited. We offer expert advice and consultancy on hydroponics and aeroponics systems. It doesn't matter if you love gardening as a hobby or commercially. You can grow vegetables all year without weather constraints.